Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Our front shows up very well. Pretty strong cold front too. It's really knocked the temperature back. Right there it is with these storms north of Cincinnati. It's pushing to the southeast and will bring us fairly nice weather in the coming days. Drier, less humid, not overly cool. I mean, it's still going to get into the near 80 to the 80s range. But Debbie will impact our weather indirectly by the weekend. Now, the storm's sitting here. It's still a tropical storm, mind you, and it's gone right back out into the ocean. The thing is, this is going to drift right back towards Myrtle Beach and just kind of sit here for a while, wobble around a little bit, wobble its way up into North Carolina, do a loop or two. And it won't make it to North Carolina until maybe Friday. And then finally it gets a boot northward a little bit and brings rain to the northeast U.S. But another foot of rain could fall in eastern South Carolina. And again, I told you how she may impact our weather indirectly. Well, as she moves up into New England, what it will do is pull another shot of kind of reinforcing comfortable air in here for the weekend. So all that said, low clouds, a couple light showers or a little drizzle tomorrow morning, and then a clearing trend from north and northeast to southwest. Kind of breezy to windy tomorrow from the northeast, and we'll have a rally to a high of 80 with upper 70s to low 80s doing it area wide. Upper 70s Monticello and Logansport. We'll get up to about 80 at Attica, low 80s at Covington and Veedersburg. We're 80 to 85 on Thursday, pretty close to normal for August here, but it's a little more in the way of smoke. Now, we'll have some smoke tomorrow making the sky a little hazy, but it could really thicken up come Thursday with 83 for the high after 58 during the morning. Highs mid-80s down towards Attica, Fowler, Boswell, Oxford, but low 80s at Flora. And you can see the smoke here. Again, this is early tomorrow morning. There's still a little bit of smoke in here, several thousand feet up, and a little bit tomorrow afternoon and a little bit near the ground, but it really thickens up. You can see here in this kind of a yellow color on Thursday, and we'll get some down to the ground too. So again, a little smoky haze in the sky, but also here near the ground. Solid low overcast at 3 o'clock in the morning. Same thing through 5:30 in the morning. A few bits of drizzle, a couple light showers. That's the case right through 8:30. So maybe you've got mowing to do in the morning. Groundskeeping, there'll be a little mist and a few light showers around with temps in the 60s with that stiff northeast wind. Same thing at 10, but you'll notice we're getting some clearing on the northern edge, and finally by 1:30 we're seeing a nice clearing trend, and then just some fair weather cumulus with hazy skies around towards evening. And it's a dry pattern. You look at this 10-day outlook, you'll see that reinforcing shot of cooler air courtesy of Debbie in the northeast knocks us to 78 on Saturday and 54 Saturday night. But we're back to 85 on Tuesday, and then eventually we're back to 90 again, 90 next Thursday and Friday after 4 consecutive days at or above 90 degrees at the Purdue Airport here recently.